Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to change the size of the text in the Moodle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button on the top of the page on the right. Then click on the general button. And here you can see the text size. It is set on the smallest, and just by tapping on the other sizes you can change. This is the middle one and that's the largest. And just click on them and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.